We are looking at the dodge burn tool. The shortcut for this is Shift plus D. It selectively lightens or darkens using a brush. Okay, I'm on the tool options. And if that has disappeared, let's just go through that. You go over to this little button that says configure this tab, add to the tab, and add the tool options back if it has disappeared. I'm using a very hard brush. Normally, I use a very softer brush so that the effects of this are less noticeable, but I want you to notice this. Okay, so we've got a big brush with simple dynamics, and we are coming down to the bottom where we have the ability to go from dodge to burn. I'm going to go to start with dodging. Dodging's lightning. I'm going to lighten my shadows. I am down here. I'm going to drag my mouse up, and you see that I have made the shadows a lot lighter. I'm going to now go to midtones, and you see that the midtones got a lot lighter than they were in the first line. And now I'm going to go to highlights. And it lightened the top part better. It worked more aggressively on the lighter parts. Okay, Control Z, Control Z, Control Z. That was dodging. We are going to now go to burn. And we're going to start with the shadows. This should make the shadows darker. Burn is darken. Kind of like our sunburn. There, I made the shadows darker. The darker the color, the darker it got. Let's go to midtones. Now you notice that there's more of a difference in the midtones. And now let's go to the highlights. I'm going to try and get, there is the highlights being done. So depends on what range, what you're doing, and what range you're working with. The exposure makes a difference in how strong this effect is. There was a light effect. Let's Control Z, Control Z, Control Z again. Okay, the exposure, let's make it small. Let's make it large.